Jub Jub ke phonyo ga bamphet. Imagine being released on bail on a public holiday. E se metla e bo shebe ba e dirang le di-lawyer tsa gagwe. Hello mzansi, it's Gossip Girl. The National Prosecuting Authority says Molemo Jub Jub Marohanye has been released on bail following an agent application. The rapper and TV presenter Marohanye was arrested on Sunday. The charge arises from an altercation involving an e-hailing driver. The National Prosecuting Authority notes that the release on bail of Molemo Katlego Marohanye, popularly known as Jub Jub, by the Gauteng Division of the High Court in Johannesburg, following an agent application brought before the court. Marohanye was arrested on the 14th of June 2026, charged with pointing anything likely to lead a person to believe that it is a firearm. The charge arises from an incident involving an e-hailing driver in Edenvale, says NPA spokesperson. Matlatule says, according to the information before court, police searched his residence, seized a pellet gun and arrested him. The High Court granted the application and ordered his release on bail of 5,000 rand. The matter was postponed to the 22nd of June 2026 in the Germiston Magistrate Court at Mahlalotlole. Mzansi, take note that Jub Jub was supposed to appear in court today for bail on the 17th of June. So why move it to the 22nd of June? Shem. But man, Jub Jub it's unale mama le mafia. So Jub Jub shem.